President of the Republic of Azerbaijan, Mr. Ilham Aliyev, visited National Aerospace Science and Technology Park today. Upon his arrival, Mr. Ilham Aliyev was received by Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force. The Air Chief briefed the visiting dignitary on his vision of transforming PAF into a next-generation Air Force, alongside making NASTEP a hub of design innovation and development in the fields of aerospace, cyber, IT and niche technologies. Chief of the Air Staff expressed his unwavering commitment to enhancing the existing ties as his top priority in the realms of military-to-military cooperation and training between the air forces of the two countries. Highlighting the bond of brotherhood between Pakistan and Azerbaijan, the Air Chief stated that Pakistan values its strong diplomatic, economic and defense relationship with Azerbaijan, which is based on convergence on all important issues relating to regional peace, security and stability. President of the Republic of Azerbaijan expressed his profound gratitude to the Air Chief for the honor escort provided by PAF fighter aircraft on entering Pakistan airspace and said that he was deeply impressed by the professionalism of the PAF air crew. The dignitary stated that the respect extended to him has won the hearts of the entire Azerbaijani nation. He also praised the PAF leadership for leading Pakistan Air Force on the path to modernization in a swift manner, and conveyed his deep appreciation for the remarkable advancements achieved by the Pakistan Air Force in the realm of indigenous capabilities. He admitted that PAF's roadmap to modernization is worth emulating for all the developing air forces. During his visit, President Ilham Aliyev also witnessed the static display of the indigenously developed JF-17 Block 3 aircraft, where he was personally briefed by Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu in regards to the capabilities of the state-of-the-art fighter jet in addressing contemporary warfare challenges. President Ilham Aliyev highlighted that he was greatly thrilled and deeply impressed by the capabilities of the PAF fighter jet, and concurred that JF-17 Block 3 was one of the best 4.5 generation fighter jets of the contemporary era.